For my Uber.
Getting rid of you.
Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm taking an overnight trip on Amtrak's Floridian. The Floridian is a long distance passenger train that runs daily from Miami to Chicago. I'll be traveling from West Palm Beach, Florida, back home to South Carolina. Chris is staying behind with the sailboat to do a little fishing, so I'm bringing you along with me instead. I just boarded, and this is my roomette. It's compact but cozy. You got two seats that convert into a bed and another bed that folds down from above. But it's just me tonight, so I'll have all 20 square feet of real estate all to myself. There's lots of lighting, several outlets for devices, a mirror, and a drop down sink. The light lets you know the sink is in the open position. There are a few amenities: towels, a washcloth, some extra toilet paper, all stored above the sink. Roomettes don't have private bathrooms, but there's a shared toilet and shower at the end of the sleeper car. And if you're in a sleeper, your meals are included. A cart attendant assists with luggage, bed setup, and most important, meal reservations. I put in my lunch order with the car attendant. The dining car was much nicer than expected. For lunch, I opted for a patty melt. Oh, yeah, and a brownie. Lunch and dinner both come with dessert. What could be better than that? The food is surprisingly good. The view heading north through Florida is full of palm trees, small towns, and eventually a lot of pine forest. It's actually really relaxing to just sit back and watch the world go by. Since the rail system travels around a lot of towns, sometimes the views aren't amazing, but they're still pretty interesting. I spent some time editing, and before you knew it, it was dinner time. Steak, potatoes, green beans with cheesecake for dessert. Y'all, these desserts are no joke. So this is the bed when it's all made. Not a lot of space here. I'm going to swing around. Pretty cool. The seats just pull down. And if there had been another person here, the second bed would have come down to be accessible for them also. And just pull the curtains and call it a night. We're just pulling into my stop now. The attendant made sure I was awake and ready to disembark. Hannah left my car here so I could drive myself home. And y'all know I couldn't come home without seeing this crew. Hola! Yes, you'll be a superstar. Superstar, superstar. Don't you have one already? Hannah and JJ were nice enough to drive me back and stay for a little visit. We met up with Chris in Jensen Beach. Thank you, Hannah and JJ.
am I supposed to do?
Cheers.
You're all gonna
What
cheers?
do I do with my hands? Yes, give me a cheers.
What a day.
What a day. Let me know in the comments if you've ever taken an Amtrak sleeper and if your experience was as good as mine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future travel adventures. Till next time, safe travels.